Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the required privilege is not held by the client on your Windows computer. So if you're trying to run a program or some sort of service and you're having issues with your service not running properly, this tutorial will be for you. So this is going to be pretty much an explanation video because I really can't show it, but I'm basically telling you guys where to go, and the first place I would look would be your antivirus or anti-malware application. More than likely it's actually blocking or at least partially blocking whatever program you're trying to install or run. So I would suggest first just temporarily disabling your antivirus protection and see if you can run the program if you know it's safe and everything. Again, if you're still having problems with it, I would suggest permanently creating an exclusion within the antivirus to exclude that specific program. That seems to be a pretty good workaround, so that's pretty generic across most antivirus or anti-malwares that there will be an exclusion option. You can go online and look it up for your specific antivirus, is what I would personally recommend, and hopefully that should resolve your problem. So as always, thanks for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.